Neera Serene here at Om Karma, Master in Intuitive Sciences, Tarot Practitioner, and a Spiritual Transformation Coach. Today, let's talk about being a tarot practitioner or taking tarot as a profession. यकीन मानिए अगर आप टैरो को चूज़ करते हैं एज अ प्रोफेशन, बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीका है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत वे है to help yourself, help others. It's such a divine blessing. It is such a beautiful path. If you take tarot as a profession and practice it, helping yourself and helping everyone else. Now, what is it like when we take this as a profession? What is so special about it? Let me throw some light as कि आप क्या gain कर पाते हैं. Firstly, it becomes a source of income for you. You can generate quite a good, if you're going in purity, you can generate a very good income out of it. Secondly, with this, you're building up a skill, you're building up a tool. You're studying a tool and building up a skill for to be able to help yourself and help all others who come to you. अब आप कैसे help करेंगे? This is providing clarity, guidance, and insight into the issues and problems and whatever is there, the situations in their lives. सही समय पे सही गाइडेंस और सही क्लैरिटी अगर मिल जाती है तो इससे बेहतर चीज़ और क्या हो पाती है. You can be instrumental through this as a practitioner to bring remarkable difference in somebody's life, to be able to transform people, to be able to make them understand life and evolve and grow in their life, to be able to come into acceptance of life as the life unfolds. कितना कुछ जो है इस मोडालिटी के थ्रू आप किसी दूसरे पे जब अप्लाई करते हैं तो कितना कुछ आप कर सकते हैं. स्वयं पे तो होता ही होता है, पर दूसरों के लिए दिस जस्ट बिकम्स सच अ ब्लेसिंग. अच्छा, फिर ये भी बात है कि अगर आप इसको सीखते हैं और आप इसको प्रोफेशनली नहीं लेना चाहते, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर हेजिटेंट टू आस्क फॉर मनी. They are financially, ईश्वर की कृपा से they are doing well and they don't want to ask for money. तो हम NGO भी तो चलाते हैं, हम सोशल सर्विस भी तो करते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए ये स्किल जो है कैसे हेल्प करेगा? They can build up they can help people through this service and not charge money. It'll help them in creating a good karma baggage for themselves, a whole basket of good karmas when they are bringing a difference in somebody's life. Secondly, अगर आप कुछ ना भी चार्ज करें और आप छोड़ दें, because it is always said that there has to be an energy exchange. तो अगर आप एनर्जी एक्सचेंज के लिए आप सीकर से कहते हैं कि वो जो देना चाहे वो दे सकता है, तो वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. और उस पैसे को यू डोंट यूज़ इट फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ, आप अपने लिए ना इस्तेमाल करें. उसके लिए आप एक कॉज टेकअप कर सकते हैं, उसको चैरिटी में दे सकते हैं. वो पैसे को आप चैनलाइज कर सकते हैं किसी और बेहतरीन कॉज के लिए. So therefore, you not only become a medium to bring and help somebody with your guidance, one. Secondly, with this practicing this, you are also able to be a medium to help and do charity for any organization, any section of people by diverting that kind of money. कितना ब्यूटिफुली आप दो तरह का एक गुड बैगेज अपने लिए क्रिएट कर पाते हैं. उसके बाद अगर आप कहते हैं कि चलिए हमने ना तो पैसा चार्ज करना है और ना ही पैसा मांगना है, सो येस, whenever you are helping, whenever you are giving a reading to anyone, you can always tell the seeker that they should be doing some good deed, or they should be kind of donating some money, or that they could be doing some service in lieu of the reading that you have given. इस तरह से अगर हम गाइड करते रहते हैं, so can you imagine the kind of chain that is created where people start doing good things for each other, and once this is collectively done, कैन यू इमेजिन कितना डिफरेंस आएगा सोसाइटी में जब हम एक दूसरे के लिए हेल्प करना शुरू कर देंगे और एक दूसरे को किसी ना किसी रूप में अपलिफ्ट करना शुरू कर देंगे. आई थिंक इट्स अ रियल ब्रिलियंट idea, specifically for housewives or people who are sitting at home and have nothing much to do. They can definitely build up the skill and do much more, and at least bring a quality, and add on and quality into their lives, add on a purpose into their life, and it makes you feel so very worth. इसके साथ में you also grow. There's a lot of internal growth. There's a lot of spiritual growth in you, and you get channelized through this particular modality. Believe me, मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़्यादा इसका फ़र्क आया है. I have really taken a very different route in my life with the help of tarot, and I wish and pray that each one of you who have either learned from me or who are going to learn from me will also be able to do that. In case you wish to study with me at Om Karma or online, please do come in contact with us. The numbers, etc., are all given in the post. And I would love to pass on this knowledge to each of you. And thank you so much. Loads and loads of love.